I'm Jeff from XDP, and today we're here with Danny. He's going to show us some details about the DFS780 Fuel System from AFE Power.
So our DFS780 Fuel System, they all come tested from the factory. Supply this little sheet. It's got flow numbers on it. Comes with a filter, a water trap, and all the necessary brackets and wires that you're going to need to install it on a truck. I'm here with Mike at XDP. He's going to be installing the DFS780 on this truck behind us. First thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the fuel tank, and we're going to remove the fuel sender so we can make the adjustments that we need to make to that. So now we're going to take the sending unit out of the tank so we can make the adjustments to the sending unit so that the pump can run all the time. So we've gotten to the point of our install where it's time to put the pump on. Each pump comes with a specific bracket for it, for that application of the vehicle. Basically you put the filter on the pump, put the water trap on, assemble everything, put the 4 bolts in the bracket. It'll end up looking like this when it's on the truck. Throw it up there, route the lines, ready to rock. So we've got our pump installed. Now it's time to hook up the lines and the power to the pump. We can take the power, hook it up to the pump. The next step we're going to do, we're going to hook up the intake. It has a silver ending on it. Goes to the intake on the pump. You take the black line and you hook it to the outlet. And you take the smaller of the 2 lines, and it goes on the pressure return. It's also our air separator, and it goes on the top of the pump. Once we hook that all up, we're going to tie those to the factory wire loom, and then at that point we'll be moving on to the next step. So now everything's ready to go. We're going to put the tank up, hook the hoses up, she'll be ready to rock. It's time for some wiring. We're going to hook up the battery, hook the wire up to the fuse, and we're going to start her up. So here we're hooking up the ADA circuit to the fuse box. It's going to be running on the ignition. Once this is done, he'll splice that into the wire for the power. He'll turn the ignition key on and the pump will work.
To help bleed the air out of the fuel system during priming, use the fitting built into the top of the pump. That wraps up the installation of the AFE DFS780 Fuel System. To find out more about this fuel system, go on xdp.com. We'd like to thank AFE for being here, and for this truck, it's ready to roll. Start it up, Mike.